You know what? Traveling is one of the best feeling ever you can experience. I am in Creek metro station. Today we are going to experience the best and most beautiful place in Dubai, that is Creek Harbor. This is the exit from Creek metro station and this is heading towards the marine transport station. The beautiful pathway in this beautiful evening. A lot of tourists, they are walking towards the marine station. So what is really interesting is the rooftop. It is so eco-friendly. I am really sorry I cannot shoot inside the marine station. Finally, my boat is here. This looks luxurious. I can't believe this charged only 2 dirhams. This view is awesome. The golden water because of the reflection. For reaching Dubai Creek Harbor, I need to get down at Dubai Festival City Marine Transport Station. From there, I need to take another boat to the Creek Harbor. So this is like getting down at Dubai Festival City and take one more boat to the Creek Harbor. I got the tickets for Creek Harbor, but unfortunately my boat is at 7 p.m. But no worries, I am at Dubai Festival City. There is a lot of people gathered around just to see this beautiful dance. Let's watch what is here. Exactly at 7 p.m. the boat has arrived. This is a small boat, mostly probably around 9 to 10 people. That is all you can travel in this. The boat has started. The beautiful view. I can say this has been one of the most beautiful views I have seen because the reflection from the light, that is so much attractive. So a lot of buildings that may be from MR or Damak buildings, and heading towards the Creek Harbor I can see a small lighthouse. Maybe it is made up of lights, but this looks beautiful. So I am eagerly waiting what is there in the Dubai Creek Harbor. So finally we are in marine station of Creek Harbor. So I cannot shoot furthermore. So I will get down there, then I will capture all the evening. So I am here at Dubai Creek Harbor. This looks fantastic because you can see how beautifully they arrange all the things here. From here I can see a beautiful sailing boat which is built up of lights. So this is so much beautiful. So this looks like some kind of ostrich. No, this looks like swans. So see how beautifully they have made this beautiful colorings of this lamp. The time is around 8 o'clock. Still a lot of people, they are coming here. I am walking, but I am feeling little hungry, but still I am walking because this is so beautiful to relax and spending more than an hour. I need to go back now. So I love this place, but tomorrow is Monday, so I need to get back to my place. So see you in next video. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and like, share to all your friends. So goodbye and see you around. Bye.